This is a great practice to restore, reset, rejuvenate, all those re-prefixes that mean again and again. And in this yoga practice, we'll be staying really close to the mat and going very slow in our actions, staying in the poses for a little bit longer than we might normally. We'll begin in child's pose. Come to your mat with your knees wide apart and your inner big toes together, your hands forward. I like lifting the palms up so that the fingertips are planted. That allows a nice lift to the shoulders. You can place your head to the mat, forehead to the mat, or head to a block. As you breathe in and breathe out, to see how you can just kind of ease the head to the mat. I'll be lifting my head just slightly in order to keep the audio clear. But see how you can just release your head so much that the neck muscles soften. Now attune to your breath. Can you find more fullness even as you kind of bunch up your organs here? You're crowding their space, but that's allowing for so much fullness to the back body. With each in-breath, you can just feel how the diaphragm's movement allows the organs to get a slight massage just through the actions of the breath. Soften your facial muscles, your neck. Keep this fullness to the breath. Breathe in deep and out long. Breathe in deep and out long. Breathe in deep. Breathe out long. Come to all fours position. One of our favorite yoga poses is cat-cow. So let's just move our spine nicely. As you draw the heart forward and lift your chin, it's a favorite because you start to feel the differences between this rounded version, the cat version, and this just allowing your heart to draw forward, shoulder blades to hug in this cow version. So lift from the navel back to the spine to get this fullness of the back body. And draw your heart forward, hug the shoulder blades in, lift your sit bones. And again, lift the back body high and slowly lower down, move the heart forward. On your next in-breath, just come to what feels like the middle of that posture. Reach your left arm out to the side to open the chest nicely. Now thread your left arm under your right. bring your head to the floor. And if that doesn't work for you, you can bring your head to a block. Use your right hand as a kickstand with the right elbow over the hand. Just use that to get a little bit more fullness in your stretch. You breathe in deep and out long. You might wish to reach your right leg back to help you open up the chest even more. With your right leg straight, the right toes tucked under, see if you can inch your left arm just a little bit further with the palm facing up. Now slowly release yourself out of the pose. Come to all fours position again. Tuck your toes under. Inhale, draw your heart forward with the sit bones lifted. Exhale, draw your pelvis back, taking just a slight bit of weight toward your heels. Inhale, lift up, move your heart forward. Exhale, draw your pelvis back. Inhale, move with the breath. Find fullness in the breath. Slow your movements down as a way to calibrate the length of your in-breath and your out-breath. Come back to all fours position. In all fours position, reach your right arm up. Turn your heart to the side. Now thread the right hand right under your left armpit. Reach the palm forward. Draw your head down. Place your left hand, fingertip top position, kickstand position, with the fingertips pressing down. Notice how that allows you to just get a little bit more fullness in your twist. One option is to extend your left leg out as a way to just find a little bit more opening from the armpit to the pelvis. Enjoy this time to restore and rejuvenate, staying close to the earth in this practice. And it has this way of just allowing you to kind of settle in, to slow down, to reset. Breathe in deep. Breathe out long. Breathe in deep and out long. Breathe in deep and out long. Slowly make your way out of the pose. Come to all fours position. Tuck your toes under. Draw your heart forward. Exhale, draw back. Inhale, move forward, just slow and even quality, just moving with the breath. Exhale, draw back. Inhale, move forward. Exhale, move back. Inhale, come to all fours position and step your right foot forward. Take your right foot just to the outside of your right hand. Take your hands to the inside of the stance. So your right knee is right over your right ankle. Your left hip is right over the left knee. Now see about bending your elbows to draw yourself down. Maybe you can even take your forearms down. If that's not available to you, just take your forearms to your blocks. Let your head just kind of hang here as a way to just create more length in your neck. Check your right knee. It tends to draw inward, so try to keep it aligned right over the ankle. Nice ease to your breath. Now walk your hand so that your right hand is close to the right ankle. Take your left arm up, reach it over your head, and enjoy this nice length to the side body. Release your hand down. Step your right foot back with your toes tucked under. Draw your heart forward. Lift your chin and your sit bones. Exhale, draw back. Since we've repeated these several times, maybe you're getting a little bit closer to bring your pelvis to your heels to get a nice stretch in the Achilles tendon. Inhale, draw your heart forward again. Exhale, draw back. A lot of repetitions in this reset, rejuvenate, restore action. Inhale, draw forward. Exhale, back. Inhale to all fours position where your left foot steps just to that outer edge of your mat. Walk your hands at the diagonal here. Bend your elbows. Relax your head toward the earth. You might want to even shake it. Yes, nod it, no. Just as a way to get a little bit more ease in the muscles of the neck. Some of you might be able to take your forearms down to a block, to the floor. Just come to a posture that allows you to stay in this form, where your attention is to your breath. You can check and recheck the alignment of your knee to keep the knee over the ankle. Just soften in the pose. One more full and deep breath in. Long breath out. Now press your hands into the earth. Have your left hand close to the inner left ankle. Take your right hand up, reach it up, spread your fingers to get nice tone in the muscles of the arm. Reach your arm now over your head. And breathe in to enjoy this really nice length from the pelvis to the armpit, out through the fingertips. Slowly release your hand down. Come to all fours position with your toes tucked under. Draw your heart forward as the chin lifts. Draw your pelvis back. Pause a little bit longer here so that your hands are working strong to reach your pelvis back just a little bit more. Inhale, draw your heart forward. Exhale, draw back. The strength of your arms allows you to enjoy even greater hip flexion. Inhale, draw forward. Exhale, reach back. Inhale, come forward to lie on your belly and roll over to your back. So as you find yourself lying on your back, bend your knees. Draw your right knee in toward your heart. Reach your right foot to the sky with the right knee bent. See if you can pull the right knee now to the outer right ribs. Maybe you can even catch hold of the baby toe side of the right foot as you draw the knee down. Release your right foot. Draw your knee in, left knee in toward your heart. Lift your left foot to face the sky. See about pulling your left knee to the outer left ribs. Grab hold of the baby toe side of the left foot. Release your left foot down. And repeat. Draw your right knee in, pull in. Lift your right foot up, grab the foot or the shin, pull down. Your option. You may want to reach your left leg straight. I like pressing the left hand down to the top of the left thigh as a reminder to get the top of the thigh to move down even more. Release your right foot, bend your left knee, park both feet, pull the left knee in, grab hold of the shin or the foot. Your option if you wish to straighten the right leg, encouraging just a little bit more hip flexion on the left and more extension on the right. Release your left foot to the mat and bend your right knee. Now let's draw both thighs in. And in the same way we've been doing, lift your feet up, grab hold of your shin, your ankle, or your feet. Draw the knees to the outer ribs. Move side to side as a way to just give yourself a nice massage. But do it nice and slowly. In order to bring a nice flow, blood flow to the muscles. We can't hurry. Nice, easy movements. As you bring your breath to those areas that you feel could use just a little bit more expansion, a little bit more attention. And keep this fullness to your breath as you release your feet and extend your legs and release your arms. Soften your facial muscles. You breathe in deep and out long. Breathe in deep and out long. Use this time in Savasana to rejuvenate, to restore, to reset. To replenish. Again and again, you give yourself the opportunity in your yoga practice this gift that the practice gives us to know just a little bit more about ourselves through this awareness. The awareness within the body that the breath provides a portal to, and the awareness to the outer body as we discover and rediscover refinements to our own alignment. Your breath is deep and long on the in-breath. And your exhale breath allows you to just release completely. You maintain this ease in the flow of the breath. The softness to the outer body. We honor ourselves in this time that we've given for the practice. And to the teachings that yoga brings to us, we bow. Namaste.